Hi, good day everyone. Welcome back to Bernard Business Consulting YouTube channel. I'm Jasin. So today, I'll be sharing with you guys what is ESG and sustainability. Although these two words has been around for more than 2 decades, but it came to my surprise that there are still a lot of people out there that have no idea what does ESG and sustainability means. So, this happened to me personally in real life. One day, I went to a bank to open a bank account, and the staff is introducing an eco-friendly account to me. Okay, so when I was filling in the application form, I wrote there, my occupation is ESG and sustainability consultant. And the staff looked at it, and I can see that there are a lot of question marks on his head. So he asked me, what is ESG? What is sustainability? What do you do? And I sit back and think, how can I explain to him in a simple and easy way to understand what is ESG and what is sustainability? So, I decided to make this video so you can share with your family and friends who want to know more what is ESG and sustainability. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. It's a set of indicators which shows the key non-financial information of a company. ESG reflects how a company manages its business risks and opportunities. The topics covered under the E environmental pillar are energy usage, water consumption, waste management, material use, and climate change. Under the S social pillar, companies talk about how they manage their employee well-being, health and safety, product quality, customer relation, supply chain, and also corporate social responsibility, CSR. And under the G governance pillar, the topics covered include anti-corruption and bribery, data privacy and protection, and also business ethics. Before ESG is popularized, the investors begin with a concept called socially responsible investment, SRI. At that time, there are a group of investors who wants to avoid allocating their funds in businesses which they consider as unethical, such as tobacco and weapon manufacturing. Later on, ESG emerges as a framework for investors to know how does a company manages its risks and opportunities in the area of environmental, social, and governance. ESG tells the investors how does a company treat the planet, treat the people, and how is the business being run. ESG is important to investors because it can somehow predict the longevity of a company. As an investor, you will want to put your money in a business where you think that it will sustain for the next 20, 30, 50 years. So, you wouldn't want to put your money in a company which you are worried that it may shut down its operation the next day because the authority found out that they throw their scheduled waste into the river illegally. Here comes the question. How does the investor compare which company is performing better in terms of ESG? Here is where the ESG rating index comes into place. So, investors, they gather data and information from companies through their ESG reports. And from the data, they do analysis and come up with a scoring for the company ESG performance. That's why you can see that there are more and more sustainability or ESG reporting framework, standards, guidelines being published every year to encourage or make it mandatory for companies to disclose their ESG data. In conclusion, ESG is investor-focused and it is a tool used by the investor to make decisions for their investment. That's the simple and easy way that I can explain to you what is ESG. I will share with you what is sustainability in the next episode, okay? I hope you learned something today, and if you enjoy watching this video, please give me a like and share this video with your friends and family, okay? And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll get the first notification about our new video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!